Okay.
Do all of these and each get one. How many are there?
Alright. I only put 5 seconds on it this time.
Floppy disk.
Put on fire?
It's on fire! Holy crap! Okay, does anybody remember to bring a fire extinguisher?
There's one.
Kill it. Kill it, Russ. We might have to get the badger out.
Floppy disk.
Alright, we might...
Don't look like a floppy disk.
Ew. I got one of those things that reminded us of Gribble all over it.
Wow.
Alright.
Well,
Cell phone net. We have cell phone, a battery.
Floppy is so good. The ink inside didn't melt.
You got the,
It might have been magnetized though.
What is the stuff
We
in
got
the
the-
jar?
water.
Oh, just water?
Shove a light bulb in it, see if it lights.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we have just a jar full of
That's
screws.
finale.
Marker. Let's do the marker.
That's gonna make a mess.
Let's say the marker.
Actually,
We got shit from our cereal.
that's definitely good.
Show him.
It's
What is that?
Like a
it's
video
one
game.
Video games, and the other one's a watch. It came with.
Tamagotchi.
Hey, Tamagotchi!
Yeah, it's probably about like that.
Digimon.
Doesn't work.
Amateur Mythbusters.
Well, let's fix it.
Turn it on. It's Space Frogger. Alright.
Back away.
Only put this in for 45.
Only.
Oh, that's what I've been doing for 60. I forgot the floppy disk on fire.
What's sparking?
This would be better at night. This would be pretty.
Smoke.
Smoke. I think we need to kill this one.
Oh, it's gonna be fun with the whole.
Okay, Russ.
Keep it going.
Kill it.
No, keep it going. Alright, kill it. It's just putting out smoke. Dear Lord. No, I flipped it over.
No, it's most definitely dead.
Wow, it burned through the battery.
Alright, the next one.
Oh my gosh, the smell.
The next one is